In this video, we will show you a typical location of where to install the RO system. It should be positioned where there is access to cold water inlet source, a drain, and a nearby electrical power socket. The RO module assembly is typically installed under the sink and placed in an upright position as shown. Do not lie the RO module on its side. The system will not operate properly if done so. It's recommended to place a towel and pail into position to capture any possible water that may drip during the installation process. Then shut off the water supply before you proceed any further.
Visit us at www.CanaturewG.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-288-9888.